From the team that brought you Rain in LA comes the next level of terror. Earthquake in LA! Watching horror as people's lives are made slightly inconvenient for a very short period of time.
Did you do that? Whoa!
Whoa!
Okay.
Whoa!
All right, that's an earthquake.
Whoa, yeah.
And that's a big one.
Wow, okay.
It may be a 6.1 on the Richter scale, but it's a 10 in mild annoyance.
No, oh Mom, oh my goodness, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, I know there was an earthquake, but it was only like a 6.1.
Earthquake in LA! Coming next fall, the final chapter of terror.
What the f is that?
Tornado in LA!